Hi, I am Jiva from Instant Tech. In this video I will show you how to assign names to addresses and other locations in Google Maps for Android. Open Google Maps on your Android. It's the map icon typically found on the home screen or in the app drawer. Tap and hold a location on the map to find a place by address. Type the address into the search bar at the top of the screen. A menu will appear at the bottom of the screen. Tap More Info. It's at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap Label. It's the third icon from the left. Enter a name for this location. If one of the suggestions suits your needs, you can tap that instead. Tap the name you entered above, Add Label. The selected location is now labeled as the text you entered or selected from the suggestion list.
Subscribe the channel, turn on bell icon and never miss any updates.